Hello everyone, welcome again. I'm going to show you demo of another project that is available into the Spring Boot and Hibernate. So manage the backend that this application is using a Spring Boot, and for the front end it's using JSP Servlet and JPA, or you can say the bootstrap things, and in the resources you will see all the things. Also, it's following the Embassy architecture, and the backend is designed over the Embassy boot, and let's deploy over the Tomcat server. So I'm going to stop my server for now. I'm going to run the application again. So if you got that project from the code one, you will get that application in this condition, and after that you have to follow the steps to run the application. Next thing, to manage the backend, it's using the backend as a MySQL. So the data is stored into the MySQL database. We'll see this database thing later. It will require the time of the username and the password. So this is our application file. Just right click on it, go to run it as a Spring Boot app or as a Java application. Automatically the Spring Boot will start the Tomcat server and will drop and will run on a specific port number, which is 9090 in this case, and the context path is online bookstore. So here let's copy the context path, and the port number is 9090. So I'm gonna go into here, and this is already launched over here, so I'm gonna close everything. And okay, I run my browser again and I enter localhost 9090 and my context path, and the application will launch over the Chrome browser, and this will be your home page. And after that we have an option here called books. So under the book section I can check another books, what are the available books. If the books is available free, a customer can directly download the book from here as a PDF, and if it's paid, so when user click on the download, need to perform the payment process, then only that user can log in over here. Another option, we have two options, as an admin and as an end user. This is a customer. So I'm going to log in as an admin. So this is my login ID. So to view the login ID and the password, just right click on the user table into the database, and I can see here the login ID for this user, and the password is admin@123. I just enter the login name and the password, click on the login. I can check the option here as a books, as an add book. Let's suppose I want to add a new book, so I just enter a new book, which is my book name. I just select category paid or free. So if I select the category as a free, it will be available as a free. If I take as a paid, so for the demonstration purpose, I just click as a paid, and I'm going to enter our price here and choose the book image. So I'm not using a real-time image, so I'm just using the dummy image. Let's suppose React.js, and I need to add a PDF. So I'm gonna add this PDF for the demonstration purpose, and this is the dummy description. Click on save button. The data is saved successfully. Now if I see the book list, I can see the third book here. Also I can view it, I can edit it. So if I click on the view, I can view it as a PDF, and I can edit it if I want. I can edit it. Another option, as an admin, I have a logout, nothing else. And also if I'm a user and going to uh, view any book, and I want to, let's suppose I want to buy this book, so what I have to do, I just enter my email ID. So the user@gmail.com, I enter the password as a demo@123, and the first name, last name, any valid 10-digit phone number, any valid 10-digit phone number. I just enter number, some card number, expiry date, CVV number, click on the save, and now I can view this PDF. Also if I logged in with this user, after login also I can check what are the books that I have bought and what the history of booking. So I'm just log in with this new user. If I refresh the database, I can see the new data user is there. So I'm going to log in with this same user, and I just enter the user@gmail, and the password is demo@123. I just enter the password, click on this login button. Now I can check the buy more option. So again I move to the book section. So if I go to the book list, so I can check this book is that I recently bought, and now it's available freely to download me. This is the history of the user. Okay, so that's it. That's complete Spring Boot application. If you want the source code, you can connect us over the WhatsApp or mail. You will get the complete working details. We have multiple services. If you want to explanation of the code, you can take that. If you want configuration of the code, we have the so the remote team that is going to set up the complete project at your machine, and it will work same as source in this demo. Hope you would like it. Thank you.